Good day. We are looking at the heating and cooling of propanol. Propanol is this poisonous alcohol that's at the bottom of this container. It happens to be flammable. That's why we're not doing this over the lab burner. And our other problem is the container is not Pyrex. It's glass, and glass does not like to change temperature quickly, and we're going to try to change its temperature quickly. So lab assistant has to lower it in very slowly, and we'll see what happens. So nice and slow, and then once it hits the bottom, she'll be able to let it sit there. And that's great. And we just have to wait a little bit. Holy guacamole. Now we're starting with the liquid, we're adding heat, and so we should eventually get some more gas. We will not convert all the liquid to a gas, but we'll convert some of it. And we'll start to see that change in what happens to our balloon. And it may be hard to see, but the balloon is changing ever so slightly. But we're very patient. And it continues to change. So we're going to move the camera really close to it now so you can see that change. Perfect. And you may not be able to see, there's still liquid at the bottom of the jar, but the balloon is inflating because more propanol is changing the liquid to gas. And we're going to wait till that gets super hot so the lab assistant can check out whether the oven mitts actually work. There we go. So the balloon is inflated. Now we have a beaker of cold water to the left of the hot plate, and our lab assistant wearing safety glasses. High quality oven mitts have been somewhat scorched, sacrificing life and limb, and she has to put this in really slowly so it doesn't blow up in her face. And she slowly brings that down. And you can see we get a very sad balloon as soon as it cools off. So we'll let it cool for about 30 seconds. And you can see just how limp it went very quickly. So that means some of the gas we made is converting back to a liquid. And obviously if we're cooling it, we are removing heat. And we're now back where we started. So we see this is reversible. Last things to say. First of all, when we heated it, that was evaporation. We're making a vapor, a gas. And when we're cooling it like we just did, that is condensation. So that's heating and cooling propanol